I want to talk about this pet water fountain that I got from my cat, Gigi Mouse. She's been, I don't know, a lot of cats do this. She paws in the water bowl and ends up making a mess all over the house. So I wanted to try this and see if this works. First step to set up, you need to soak the filter. After that, you make sure you fill up the base. This is a 75-ounce base, so it holds quite a bit of water. Next, you'll install the filter. Just drop it right in just like that. Next, you'll take the water pump and you'll install that underneath and put the spout on top. Very easy. That plugs right in very easily. Then you'll set it right on top, making sure that you have the pump facing in the right direction so that the cord can fit in the little slot there. And next, it's easy. You plug it in and water flows. Now, another one of my favorite features, this runs very quietly, so it's not making a lot of noise, so you don't need to worry about that. And first try for Gigi Mouse, she's a big fan of it. Took her a second to kind of see what's going on, but I'm hoping she enjoys it. I have heard that cats enjoy running water more than standing water in a bowl, so I'm hoping that she enjoys this and it helps keep my house just a little bit cleaner. If you have a thirsty cat at home, please click on the link in the description below.